You'll never find, as long as you live, someone who loves you tender like I do.